Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the car for fresh rat activity and vulnerable spots. This saves time and ensures targeted spraying. Once done, open the hood and trunk, lift wheel wells, and remove loose debris so spray contacts surfaces. Make sure to wear gloves and a mask. The chemicals deter rats and irritate mucous membranes. You should park in shade to prevent rapid evaporation and keep ignition and hot surfaces off to avoid hazards while you work. You now apply the rat repellent methodically so coverage lasts. Begin with a small test patch and wait 30 minutes to confirm no paint reaction. Once confident, hold the nozzle 4-6 inches away and use short bursts to avoid oversaturation while ensuring fibers and crevices are treated. Make sure to coat wiring, insulation, and wheel wells thoroughly because rats chew where odors are strongest. After treating the engine bay, move to trunk seals and undercarriage, seams for continuous protection. You finish by letting treated areas dry for 15 to 30 minutes so the repellent bonds without transferring. Make sure you do not start the car until surfaces are dry. Once dry, perform a visual walk-around and flex seals to check for missed spots, then reapply to any gaps. If activity persists despite proper spraying, inspect for new entry points and add clamps or barriers. This troubleshooting step stops reinfestation because repellents discourage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.